If you're trying to unlink Disney from Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to disconnect the two accounts quickly and safely. This is useful if you no longer want Disney connected to your Epic Games profile, or if you're just cleaning up your linked accounts. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, sign in to the Epic Games account that has Disney linked to it. After you're logged in, look toward the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This usually opens your account menu. From that menu, click on Account. This will take you into your Epic Games account settings. On the account page, you'll want to find the section labeled Linked Accounts. This area shows all of the external services and platforms connected to your Epic Games account. Once you're inside linked accounts, look carefully for Disney. When you find it, click on Disney to open the connection options. You should now see the Unlink option. Click Unlink to begin the disconnection process. Epic Games may ask you to confirm your choice or complete an on-screen verification step. If that happens, just follow the prompts carefully and click Unlink again if needed. Make sure you read any confirmation message so you know the account is being removed correctly. After the process finishes, Disney should no longer be linked to your Epic Games account. At this point, you can double-check the linked account section to confirm that Disney is gone. That's it. The accounts are now disconnected. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I post simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one to help you get things done faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.